Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Tuesday, February 17th. Well, hello highs, finally got to the peak. Friday we closed at 2,093.5, up 9.5 points in the E-mini S&P. The gain was 2% on a weekly basis, and that brings the 52-week gain to 16% in the broad market. The Dow hasn't quite gotten there yet. The Dow gained 1% last week, lagging behind. It was up 50 points on Friday, 17,982. The leader has been tech, the NASDAQ 100, 43.77, up another 32 points on Friday, a 3.5% gain for the week, and totaling now 23% in the last 52 weeks, as the trend is intact. The dollar was steady, up 8 points at 94.28. Euro currency down 23, 113.96. We saw about a 70-point move in the euro. We have built on this base and not made new lows over the last few weeks. Looking at the bond market, down 29 ticks. Continue to see some unwinding there. 145.29, down 29 ticks is where that stands. Crude oil finished well, 52.80, up $1.60. Ended up gaining $1 on the week to build on the gains from the week previous. And lastly, gold down $7, not 70, down $7 on a weekly basis, closed at $12.27, up 6, keeps hovering around this $12.15, which is the midpoint of the bottoms up to those February highs. So after a record-setting day on Friday, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning after a holiday weekend? Well, we're steady. We're down 2.5 points in the E-mini S&P, 2,091. 2,095 is the all-time high, which was made, obviously, on Friday. Dow futures down 6 at 17,976, and the NASDAQ keeps go, up another 4 points at 43.81. Looking at the euro currency, starting to move to the upside, up 36 at 114.31. Holding that dollar index around the 94 level. It's been weeks since we made new highs in the dollar, so you're seeing a series of lower highs on a weekly basis. Bonds continue unwinding, down another 11, 145.16. That's pushed yields way back up, 2.65 on the 30-year and 2.05 on the 10-year note, holding above that 2% threshold. Crude oil's at the 54 level, which had been a double top. We'll see if it can bust through that. It's up 30 cents here this morning, and gold's down $6 at 12.21. So to wrap up the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we are steady right now to mixed. E-mini S&P down 2.5, Dow futures down 6, and the NASDAQ positive, up 4 points. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.